Hey there, folks. If you're in Nepal and need to send money to Australia, maybe for family support, education, or business, this video is your go-to guide. I'm going to break it down step by step, making it super easy and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First off, why send money internationally? It's often for essential needs, and from Nepal, you have several reliable options like bank transfers, services such as Western Union or MoneyGram, online platforms like Wise or PayPal, or even mobile apps. Each has its pros and cons, so choose based on speed, cost, and convenience. Step 1. Gather your essentials. You'll need a valid ID, the recipient's full name, their Australian bank details, and possibly your own bank account or a linked payment method. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Next, compare fees and exchange rates. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use tools like Google or apps to get the best deal. For example, Wise often has lower fees than traditional banks, but banks might be more straightforward if you're dealing with large amounts. Now, for the actual transfer. Log into your chosen services app or website, enter the amount, select Australia as the destination, and provide the recipient's details. Confirm the transaction after reviewing the total cost, which includes fees and the converted amount. Most transfers take 1 to 5 business days, but some like Western Union can be instant. Don't forget safety first. Always use secure platforms, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of scams. If you're sending a lot, consider the tax implications or any restrictions from the Nepal Rashtra Bank. Wrapping this up, sending money from Nepal to Australia doesn't have to be complicated. With the right preparation, you can do it smoothly and affordably. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tips. See you next time.